Hello guys, this is the Blessedman and welcome to my channel Money Magnets. Today I'm going to be talking about something very huge and important. And I want you to listen to me. I want you to watch this video to the very end because this is going to be a game changer. In this video, I'm going to be presenting a live interview about magnet ecosystem. In this live interview, you're going to be seeing questions and answers about magnet ecosystem. Magnet is a blockchain, decentralized blockchain platform, blockchain ecosystem that is coming on board and is coming with huge products and huge potential opportunity. Right, so in this video we're going to be diving into what magnet ecosystem is all about, form of questions and answers, and I want you to listen and analyze it. It's something huge. This is a revolution on the internet. It's going to be one of the largest ecosystem that you can ever see in the blockchain industry. And today I will be glad to show you this live interview and for you to get to understand every other thing about it. So make sure that you watch this video to the very end. If this is your first time of coming to my channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And then if you want to reach me about magnet ecosystem, please check out the link at the description of this video. Then you can be able to speak with me or you can be able to chat with me and then we'll talk about magnet ecosystem. So one more time, welcome to my channel.
Hello everyone, my name is Bogdan and I'm a business partner of Ilya Ladonin, the founder of Magnet Blockchain platform, and today I'm replacing him. Ilya is the creator of whole magnet concept and he'll be maybe on our future meetings, but today I'm replacing him. And today we have an interview with one of the strong leaders of Magnet, Emmanuel Onah, the Blessedman, and we will answer the team leaders' question from Africa. Emmanuel already impressed himself in the project and prepared several questions. And before we start, I will tell you a little bit about Magnet, our concept and our ecosystem. And Magnet is a large product ecosystem with powerful smart contract marketing programs. Thanks to wide range of product, Magnet ecosystem have many opportunities for both active leaders and passive income enthusiasts. And we're confident that this will be one of the largest projects as we combined top experience in blockchain MLM and strong technical skills. For example, one of our past projects attract millions of users and billion in turnover. It's impressive results. It's also Ilya's projects. And our projects, which prove our technical experience and expertise, Crypto is also one piece of a huge ecosystem of Magnet. And with this project, we won lots of major blockchain hackathons by Polygon, Tron, Chainlink, Phantom. Maybe you heard some of these names. And we made one of the best product in the bear market. Our product already use a lot of huge cryptocurrencies exchange such as OKX, and our users created more than 300,000 smart contracts. It's also impressive results, but like I mentioned before, just a small piece of huge magnet ecosystem. And Onah, I pass the word to you and tell us in a couple of sentences about yourself, and we'll move to the next section of our interview.
All right. Yeah. Good afternoon. I'm so happy to be with you, Mr. Bustan, and all the team of Magnet Ecosystem. I want to appreciate you for this interview. My name is Onah Emmanuel, the Blessedman. I'm from Nigeria, eastern part of Nigeria, and by profession, I am a chartered accountant by profession. Have a master's degree holder in banking and finance. And I've been on the online space for over 15 years right now. I'm an online marketer and a digital product creator, and also an MLM enthusiast. Also, I love crypto the blockchain technology. All right, so I've been involved in many crypto projects. I've been involved in many MLM businesses, and in Nigeria, we have been part of some of the top leaders who are piloting some of the projects that are going on right now. So I believe that Magnet is going to bring out more that is in us. It's going to bring out a lot of other qualities that we have, and I believe the ecosystem is going to change a lot of things for us. So that's a brief about myself. I am married with about 5 kids, so we are doing very, very well, and we are waiting for Magnet to start changing our world. That's me. Thank you.
Yeah, great. Thank you for short introduction. And I have a first question for you before we start. I see you're very active and involved into our ecosystem in the early stage. And I want to ask, what attracted you so much to Magnet ecosystem? Can you tell a little bit about it?
Yes, because of my experience in the industry, when I see a good project, I know that this is a good project. Okay, we've done a lot of other things. Some of them ended up becoming Ponzi schemes. Some of them ended up becoming pyramid schemes. Some of them ended up not giving value. All right, because of these experiences we have in the past, we are very, very careful in trying to know the kind of project that we get involved in because of integrity and because of the people we have who actually trust in us. All right, so when I saw Magnet and I saw the product behind Magnet, the first thing I learned about Magnet is that one of their products I was able to browse through it, and which is CryptoDo. And if a company like this, an ecosystem like that, could have CryptoDo as just one of their products, it means that it holds a whole lot. It means that there is a whole lot of professionalism in the products that they are presenting in the ecosystem. So if I can see the qualities in CryptoDo, and they have other products, over 20 products, wow, anybody who knows what he's doing will know that this is a game changer. So what attracted me to Magnet is not just the marketing programs, but the products that backs up these marketing programs that will create real value in the lives of people, that will make people to actually change their life, not just because they are trying to circle money or trying to bring people together to collect money from their pocket. But whoever that is joining Magnet program, we have a value that these products are going to be adding to them. And I believe by this, if we now network them, and it's going to change a whole lot of lives. And one other thing I saw is that some of the projects that cropped up and later died down because there is no products. By the time you finish your concept, you don't know what else to do. You cannot scale up. You cannot update. The program is just gone. But with Magnet, what I see is that with all these products on ground, even if you decide to be bringing out these products one after the other in the next 10 years, you have not finished introducing your products. Okay, so there is this hope of continuity, longevity in Magnet. And that is what attracts me, and I'm so much passionate about it because I know it's going to lift a lot of people from poverty.
Excellent. Actually, I really appreciate your passion and activity. Thank you for so kind words, and really happy to work for you and for our leaders, for our partners, clients, participants of our ecosystem. Thank you, Emmanuel. And let's move into our question section, and you can start with question and I'll answer, and let's move forward.
Okay, so in this first segment of my question, I would like to know, and some of my leaders also would like to know, for the 3 marketing programs that Magnet ecosystem is coming on board, what are we looking at as the registration fee or the percentage earnings to the participants? That is my first question. What are we looking at? What is the cost of each of these marketing programs, and what is the earning percentage like to the participants?
Okay, got it. It's a great question, and it's a good start point for dive deep into Magnet ecosystem. And joining and activating the Magnet's marketing programs involves buying a business spot/levels. Each level costs twice as much as one before, and starting from 15 and up to 100,000 and 60,000. I'm sorry, and for all three programs at level 12. This gives access to Magnet ecosystem, ensuring high earning for leaders and expanding passive income opportunities through programs, products, and NFTs.
Okay, that's excellent. Excellent. Thank you for the answer to that question. So if I may understand what you just answered is that each of these three products together, if you are joining, it will cost you $15 for the first slot of the three programs, and then each of the slots is a double of the previous slots that we are joining with. Okay, I believe that the other aspect of the question, the compensation plan or the marketing materials will answer the question, talking about what is the earning percentage to the participants that are in the ecosystem. So I believe probably your material will be able to show us, because we need to see, leaders need to see if I am on slot 1, for example, and I've activated slot 1, and if I am inviting people to join me to activate, how much am I going to be earning from these particular slots the more I expand my team? So I believe that your marketing material will be able to give us more specific answer to that. So let me move on to the second question. The second question, in the introduction of Magnet ecosystem, you talked about reinvestment. So I want to know, what is the reinvestment scheme like? And it is going to be automatic from the system? Is it going to work like reactivation, or somebody else, investing more money into the ecosystem?
Yeah, it's a great question, and I'll answer first to first part. And about the marketing materials, yeah, now we're working on Magnet almost 2 years, and now we're in a finish line on development. But we have a lot of works behind us about marketing materials, and of course we'll prepare all necessary marketing materials with all complete information about marketing programs, products for our ecosystem, etc., etc. And about reinvestment or reactivation, recycling, yeah, it's actually recycling. It's reactivation. It's a crucial for the first program, acquiring automatically when the third partner joins the matrix. This leads to high extra earning for active leaders, and includes earning from referral programs and passive income from products. And yeah, it's not the money from your pocket, it's just reactivation. Reactivation is more correct word. Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to be calling it reactivation, because reinvestment will look as if we're going to be investing more money into the system. So by the time we are inviting our prospects, the third person that's going to be joining the first program, the system will reactivate the slot so that the slot can open up for more earnings for the leaders, if I'm correct, right?
Yeah, it's correct, yeah.
Okay, so let's move on to the next question, which is question number 3. Question number 3 said, what is the passive income percentage of program 3 like, and where will the earning be funded from? All right, from the marketing programs, that's registration of participants, or from the proceed of the Magnet ecosystem products. Okay, let me just try to explain more. Some programs, they will just draw up some marketing, some matrix programs that will allow people to bring in their prospects, and while they register and they pay some money for the registration, this is the only money that the income that the system will generate, and from this income, whatever reward they are giving to people is coming from this particular registration money from participants. So is it going to be so with Magnet? or are there, explain to me the nature of the passive income, and then also where this income is going to be coming from.
Yeah, okay. Actually, we have a lot of elements of passive income in our ecosystem, and speaking exactly about the third program includes passive income through a structural partnership program, and it's absolutely not a Ponzi scheme or some kind of scam or fraud. Each new member of our third program guaranteed gets 40 partners from the system. Passive income will generate through the action of your use of and the second part, where passive income will generate it through the action in your structure of magnet, and if for example, if your partner use some of the magnet's products, some of the products of our ecosystem, you'll earn extra high, you'll earn more and more passive income for depending of your NFT status, and if you will be able to upgrade your NFT status and get more opportunities in passive income. So third program have some elements of passive income, but real passive income will be through ecosystem, for using our products.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. That's a very good and wonderful question, and I think we'll have to move on to the next question right now. Question number 4 is there any product that is tied to participant registration? That is, when a participant registers on any of the marketing programs, is there any of the magnet ecosystem products that the participant is going to get that is relevant to their future earnings? Is there any of such things that they are going to lay hands on? You know, most people, they just run a matrix program without any backup. Somebody registers and there's no value attached to that money that the person has just registered. So I want to know.
The answer is yes, of course. Registering on when you register in our programs, you'll get basic access to our products like bots, traffic generation services, some kind of and some other products of Magnet ecosystem. We'll announce which exact product you'll get right from the exact level. For example, in level 1 you'll get this products. In level 2 you'll get this, and we'll announce it really soon. But when you're activating, for example, in the first level in $15, you'll get the value in products maybe for $100. It's like a diamond. It's like purchase a diamond for a cent. Yeah.
All right. Thank you. That's a good question. I think I understand it. What I understand from what you are saying is that when a participant registers on Magnet and activates a slot, some products, some access level will be given to that participant to some of the products of Magnet ecosystem. And you are saying that the exact product that one will get access to based on the number of slots is not specific right now, but there's going to be a product attached to the registration of participants. That would be a wonderful one, because if you don't attach value to the exact money people are coming into an ecosystem, it will just look as if the purpose of creating this matrix is to collect money from people, and it will not have any form of value. So when a participant registers and is given access to a particular product, this is first value of his money. Whatever thing he is earning by promoting the structure becomes like a passive income. You know, the money he is making extra to the value that he has already gotten from the system. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, go ahead. You want to say something? Okay. All right. So just excuse me. Okay. So question number 5. How will the earning of Magnet ecosystem products affect participants apart from the marketing programs? how will the earning, for example, if Magnet ecosystem is selling, let me use crypto do, for example. If Magnet ecosystem decide to sell crypto do as a product to people, outsiders, even people who are not members of the ecosystem, this income that is generated, is there any form of earnings that participants will get from the sales of this product apart from the earning structure, the structures, the money they are going to be earning from the activities of their participants?
The product earning directly benefit all members as a portion of product usage income is automatically distributed across Magnet partner structure at 100%, and it's distributed by smart contracts and it's absolutely transparent and clear. Higher status in the ecosystem means more passive income from products and through an NFT status system. And in terms of CryptoDo, for example, you can, for example, purchase some access using your NFT in CryptoDo, and this money from this purchase will distribute it to the system, to the structure of partners, and but you can sell the product outside of the ecosystem, because it's if you can create a huge amount of value, for example, thousands of dollars in CryptoDo smart contract development, you can use it and you can earn money not only by for example, inviting people to the system, but active leaders, of course, will earn more.
Excellent. I think it's getting more interesting, guys. We are seeing real values here for this huge ecosystem, and I think it's mind-blowing. Let me go to the question number 6. Okay, there is need to describe in detail what Magnet products and how the participants will benefit from them, all right, aside from the marketing matrix. For example, if you look at some projects that is going on right now, like Metaverse ecosystem, people expect to get NFT royalty. When they get this royalty, they know that this bonus are being paid to them maybe periodically or monthly. They also expect a token, a false coin, as a token, as part of the things that they are waiting for in the ecosystem. All right. So, and also the activities in the metaverse. So in Magnet, are there things that we're expecting? Things that we will lay hold on and said, okay, this is what we're actually waiting for, especially on this blockchain space and the cryptocurrency market. Are there things that we are actually expecting?
Of course, we have a lot of opportunities into our ecosystem, such as passive income through NFT. Depends of your NFT status, of course. It's something similar to royalty NFT mechanism, but we have real value behind this NFT, because we have a huge ecosystem, and revenue from all ecosystem will distribute it as a passive income, and we have a product and it's our killer feature. And the Magnet ecosystem includes over 20 products, and it's just the beginning. It's just what we already created, and in the future it will be much more. And such projects like Learn to Earn academies. Learn to Earn is a product where we pay to our users for learning, and it's a really interesting concept. And staking, lotteries, builders of smart contracts, of blockchain lottery builder, for example, also some traffic services, DAO, NFT token, and more. We have a lot of stuff, and you can explore it in our ecosystem map. It's also absolutely transparent, and members earn both active and passive income from all activities we need, with tools for passive income and investment earnings from NFTs based on their level. But of course, we will make another webinar about every single products in our ecosystem. But the important point, even before the launch, even almost right now, we already created all of this product, and it will be launched according our roadmap, and it will be additionally stimulate the people, participants. It's like new momentum of traffic and money generation, and it's also one of our key point, killer feature, what we already created our products. It's not empty words. It's not a promise. It's already done. Yeah.
Wonderful to hear that these products are almost 100% ready, even when the ecosystem is not launched yet. I think that's a very good thing, because most times people go into marketing before creating product. Yeah, it's a concept that can work. You get a hungry market and then you give them products. But there are advantages and disadvantages in all of this. Sometimes you will end up in simulation trying to find out if it will work. People are already hungry saying, give us this, open this, and suddenly you deploy your website and you discover that there are errors here and there. You start going back and front, and before you know it, people's minds are already demoralized. Most of them have moved on into other projects and so on. So it's good that you have an idea to have created most of these products and they are ready. Okay, so, and I believe that this time that you have is enough for you to have tested out these products and see how best they work, so that by the time you promise and said, okay, by this month, on the 15th of this month, we're going to be launching this particular product, or exactly on the 15th as of the time that you said it, this product will be launched. And when participants goes into their back office, everything is working fine. It's sweet for business to just move on like that. So I really want to appreciate you guys for that initiative of trying. It shows that you guys are competent in this industry. You are competent in development, and it is a whole lot of positive signals to show that Magnet is going to change the world. So I want to thank you for that. Let's move on to the next question. The next question said, have you studied Metaphors, what's it called? The classic program of Metaphors. Why I always refer to Metaphors is that right now, all over in Africa, Asia, and some parts of Eastern Europe, Metaphors is a project that people are actually engaged in. They have promised some things. The NFT royalty is running. The first coin is about to launch, and so on and so forth. So, but what actually drove their community, or that expanded the community, was the Matrix Classic program, whereby all the earnings in this matrix is distributed 100% to participants. 100% to participants, and it actually made people a lot of thousands of dollars when Metaphors started. So did you actually study this matrix and see whether what you are coming out on is similar or better or something different? I just want to know.
Yeah, of course, we studied Metaphors like a lot of our companies. We're analyzing the market constantly, and it's one of our priorities to know what exactly happened, what exactly going on into market. Yeah, and Metaphors is not a bad project, but it actually doesn't matter at all, because what's important is what lies at the foundation of a company, behind all of this marketing stuff. And in our case, Magnet has no competitors because I think as one has created such a massive ecosystem before us, I think we're the first, and there are no our companies who make such amount of works and create something even close to our ecosystem. And yeah, I think it's enough to answer, because of course we studied it, but it's really doesn't matter when we make a real value, real ecosystem, real valuable products, and all of it work together in a single platform, and it's really mind-blowing, like a technology side, marketing side, and it's not just a simple matrix program. It's of course not matrix. It's just a good instrument. It's just a good tool to promote our ecosystem, but it's not our main focus. It's just a good tool to generating traffic, generated new members, partners, money, etc. But the core, it's ecosystem.
Okay, impressive, impressive. I like the part that you are trying to carve a niche for yourself, trying to say, I am the best, I am better. Yeah, it's a very good one, and I like the confidence. I like the the confidence you have in this magnet ecosystem that actually is second to none, that nobody will be talking about magnet, because it's not to be compared to any other system. All right, okay, Metaverse is a very good project. I've seen it, and actually when you come to the crypto space right now, that is the only products that have been a little bit complicated. People creating a new thing from what people used to know before, a lot of things, new project, they're trying out their hands on some other things. And then with the little that I see that have been done there and what I see coming in Magnet, I see that Magnet has a wider product and maybe wider experience in terms of development and so on and so forth. So I believe most of people have made money in Metaverse, they will still make money in Magnet. And what is important is that one is adding value to himself and adding value to the people that are under him, the people that he is leading, and that's what is important. Every good project there has their own advantage over other projects that are around, especially when they are legal and when they are very, very legitimate business to do. So I want to thank you guys for this, taking out time to carve a niche for yourself in the area of development, whereby you're bringing up something that the world will actually like. All right, so let me move on to the next question. The next question, there's something that is very, 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 very interesting. Anybody that is going into any project that is called blockchain, for example, this is the season, everybody's waiting for Bitcoin halving, waiting for the next bull run that is expected to come in by next year. You see a lot of other projects are cropping up. There are people who are creating tokens, people who are creating their own coin, just to make sure that it is timely for them to actually launch this product before this before the next bull run that we are going to be seeing by 2024. So is there any token or coin we are expecting in Magnet ecosystem? Because I don't know if you call it a blockchain technology or Web 3.0 technology company, the token should not be taken away from it. So I want to know at this point, is there any coin or any strong token that we are actually expecting from Magnet ecosystem?
Yeah, it's also a great question. Thank you. And actually, Magnet's ecosystem has not one, has two tokens, internal token pools, pools token and primary token called Magnet. And internal token pools is for example, upgrade internal system statuses, NFT statuses, promotion, while the Magnet token is an investment tool offering passive income through staking, farming, holding, etc. And the Magnet token, the primarily Magnet token, is deflationary and appreciating with transactions supporting its liquidity and contributing to buyback and burn. And let me explain how it works. For example, there are from each of our products or programs, for example, from marketing programs, we take some percent of money. For example, it's not about the numbers, it's about the concept, how it works. For example, 5%. And all this money come to buy back our token and burn it. And it creates huge deflationary stimulation of our token because we make a demand of this token, because we purchase it. And we're also supporting the liquidity of this token from part of this money. For example, we buy back with 50% of this token and take it to liquidity. And we make it because it's really important to for any cryptocurrency project to have a liquid token. Because, for example, if anyone want to sell this token, he would be able to sell it without a huge price impact, and it's really important for us. And yeah, we have a token and we have a lot of mechanisms to support this token.
Okay, that sounds very, very, very impressive, because my ears are itching to hear that there is a token. Because if there are no tokens, a lot of people will say, yeah, we've seen these marketing programs, we've seen this, we've seen that. You know, sometimes, for instance, those that are in metaphors, what they are strongly waiting for is that first coin is coming, all right? And when this first coin is launched, they believe so much that this first coin is going to rise in price because of the use cases, because of the tokenomics behind the coin, and so on and so forth. So people are excitedly waiting to see the launch of this token. So I believe that magnet token, people will be excited to wait. Maybe in subsequent questioning or interviews, you'll be able to tell us the name of this token, the tokenomics behind the token, and the use cases, because it's important for people to know. These are the things that will help us to grow and be able to assess whether this token is going to grow in future, whether you are going to be listing it in the decentralized exchange or you are going to be listing it in a centralized exchange, and so on. We need to, maybe we'll have to make this question on a separate time, so that you will be able to explain to me, you know, the name of the token, the tokenomics behind the use cases of this. For instance, in the magnet ecosystem, at that time that all the things that are happening in the ecosystem will be making use of this token, you know, as their access points, purchase of product, and so on and so forth, because some of these things are part of the things that's going to add value to the token and will make it to actually blow out there. People might buy it for just like 10 cents or $10 or $20, and then later it will rose to $500, rose to $1,000. That's how people will actually make real money. So, but what I understand from this is that there is a token that we are expecting, right? So if there's anything you have to say, you can say it now. If there's nothing you can say, maybe later we're going to prepare another section of question that is surrounding this token that you are talking about.
Yeah, no, thank you again for this question. Actually, yeah, of course, token it's one of our priorities, but like I mentioned before, it's just a small piece of our ecosystem. It's not our primarily focus, but yeah, I think our token has more fundamental value when our cryptocurrencies, because we have a real ecosystem with real people who use it, and it's really pumping up and upgrade liquidity, go up to our price, and it's really important for us, and we know it's really important for our users. So thank you, Anna, for very much for these questions. We see and we appreciate your involvement, and glad with your passing your knowledge and enthusiasm to our active leaders. So thank you very much again. Have a good day, everyone. See you. I think we can finish this interview.
Yes, thank you very much, Mr. Boddan, if I'm correct. Mr. Blessedman and all the crew that are just listening to us. And then I want to also thank Mr. Elia, the founder of Magnet Ecosystem. You guys are great. You've done a good job. You have really suffered and sacrificed for 2 years, you know, for something that's going to blow the world, for something that's going to be a kind of a revolution on the internet, something that's going to change a lot of lives. I really appreciate it when I see good projects, when I see people who are real, people who are real entrepreneurs that are building businesses. I like associating with them, and I think I am very, very happy to be a part of the magnet project and magnet ecosystem. And I believe that together we're going to change our world. In our next section, I'll be asking other questions because these questions are important for people to actually understand this ecosystem, and then it will enable them to go into it and then make out a lot of things for their lives. Thank you. The Blessed Man is saying thank you. Thank you.
See you.
To the channel, and then if you want to reach me about magnet ecosystem, please check out the link at the description of this video. Then you can be able to speak with me, or you can be able to chat with me, and then we'll talk about magnet ecosystem. So one more time, welcome to my channel.